Buddy. Really? What else?
I'm going to show him the other one.
Oh, we're getting out? I don't think he wants to get out.
No, he wants to go on the slide.
Yeah, but he's not big enough to go on the slide.
I'm probably like, flip. Flip. Watch it. Oh, you want on the side? Well, guys. I want in the slide right now. He said that. I understand the other one. I understand him.
Buddy, no.
Please! Charlie, I'm gonna go surfing.
Sweet.
What? Watch me go surfing! I'm gonna go surfing on this really tough, really rude wave.
Buddy, there is a whole pool of water. Why are you worried about the one muddy puddle?